Ako po si Felix Morauda, DTF operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinsons, Novaliches. Nakapag-run kami dito ng 78 meters as of this week. Ito po ang printer heads, capping. Ang last na palit po ng heads is yung last year po ng October, at itong capping nasa 80% pa naman na working siya. Head clean. Una swiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Ground wire. Base ink tank, nalinis na yung Friday. Ito ang mga used ink. Unused ink, film, powder, workload DTF, weekly workload, weekly consumption, inventory. Ito na gamit sa film 30cm, powder, solution, cyan, yellow, white ink, magenta, ito po ang daily printer checklist, DTF weekly maintenance. Maraming salamat po.